One of the biggest improvements you can make to your S30 is not more horsepower, but it's the way the car feels every time you shift gears. The solution: a completely new transmission. This isn't a modified gearbox, an old gearbox. This is a factory fresh NISMO reinforced 6-speed transmission built to the standards NISMO has today. Till now, you needed to buy an S13 gearbox, an old one, modify it, well done, a part of the bell housing of an S30, but not anymore. Our Japanese engineering partner, Datsun Z, created a bolt-on solution for every L-series engine, as you see it here. The first thing you will notice is not the 6th gear, but it's the quality of shifting. You will only discover when you use it in your car, but it's a completely different experience, which will make the car feel much more solid and natural. This gearbox keeps the engine always in the right power band. Acceleration will be smoother, the way you have long distance driving with lower RPMs and also with lower noise from the gearbox. It's one of those upgrades that you will enjoy every kilometer. At S30 World, we believe that every modification should improve the driving quality of the car and while still respecting the original character of the car. That's exactly why this solution becomes part of our Takumi Series program. Modern engineering with a classic character. And don't forget, details matter.